Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be learning how I utilize TickTick for my grocery list. And it's all coming up next. So here we are inside of TickTick. And in today's episode, we're going to be discussing how I utilize TickTick for my grocery list. But before we get started, I just want to say, if you like my videos and you get value out of them, please click that like button down below. It really does help our channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you get value out of these videos and want to see more of them. Just hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell. So back to the video. Before I went over to TickTick, I was using Todoist, and I was also using another app on my phone for my grocery list. And although I could have done the grocery list in Todoist, I really like to check stuff off when it's completed, and I like it to be completely gone out of my checklist. Anyways, needless to say, Todoist just wasn't cutting it for me, so I had went over to another app to control my grocery list and to keep that in order. And but I did decide to try out TickTick for other reasons. Obviously, if you watch any of my other videos, you know I'm talking about I like the calendar view. But I decided that I would try to keep my grocery list whenever I go to the grocery store inside of TickTick. So what do I mean by that? Well, what I like about TickTick is that if I say, you know what, I'm going to do my grocery shopping today. Let me go into my kitchen, see what I need, right? Well, what I can do is I can type out purchase groceries, right? And maybe I'll say I want to do that on Monday, right? And I hit enter. So now it's in my inbox. Now, of course, I can also put it over here out of my inbox, but I'm going to wait for right now just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. And then over here in description, I can start typing out what I need, right? Whatever it might be, okay? I just type it all out, and then I hit these three little dashes over here, and it creates a checklist, right? So then when I'm in the store, all I do is I pull up my grocery list, and voila, I can check these off, and everything goes away, right? It's all showing checked off. And then once I'm done, the actual grocery list itself is gone. But check this out. Here's another cool thing. So I'm in my inbox, and I create, oops, can't spell apparently, purchase groceries, right? And I do the same for Monday. Maybe I'm going to do it Monday, right? So I put in the same thing: eggs, milk, rabbit, stew, spinach. Okay, so then I go do that like I did before. But also another thing I do is I do tag it with errands. And the cool thing about that is, and let's go ahead and put this to today so I can show you what I'm talking about. So the cool thing about doing it like this is that when I pull up my phone, I can just go to errands for today, and my grocery list is there. So let's say I have lots of items in my today view, right? Lots of items. I don't want to have to go down there. Where is that? Oh, there it is right there. I can just click on errands for today on my mobile app while I'm in the store, and it pulls up my grocery list, and then I can just check mark those off when I have put those in my cart, right? So this is the way I typically like to manage my grocery list inside of TickTick. So anytime I'm going to buy groceries, I just go in my kitchen, look what I need, go ahead and just type out purchase groceries, and then make a list inside of purchase groceries, right? Another way you can do it, although I don't do it this way, I found this way, I don't know, it just works a little bit better for me, And let me go ahead and delete that real quick. Is another thing is, let's say you're at work and you're like, you know what? I need to purchase some stuff. So you just do a brain dump, right? You're like, yeah, I need to purchase some eggs. I need to purchase cottage cheese, milk. You're just sitting there bored at work and you just think of some stuff, right? Well, you can just jot it down in your inbox and then later on create yourself a purchase grocery thing, and either you can copy all that over here, or if you don't want to do double the work, you can just move that over to your purchase groceries thing, right? And voila, now you have a list. The only thing I don't like about this way is that even though I have, say, completed those items, the purchase grocery still stays there. It doesn't disappear along with it. So then you have to go the next step and click it. Now that is a big deal, but it's just so annoying. It's annoying for me. But anyways, that's what I wanted to show y'all in this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the future, please feel free to, just click that subscribe button right down below and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish y'all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.